Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5 review. I'm going to tell you about the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5. The E5 is a budget-friendly robot vacuum with 2000 PA suction power, handling dust, pet hair, and debris efficiently. It has a 2600 milliampere hour battery, offering up to 2 hours of cleaning, and features gyroscopic navigation for systematic coverage. The compact design allows it to clean under furniture, and it includes a basic mopping function. Pros are strong suction, long battery life, and an affordable price. But the cons are no advanced mapping, and the mopping feature is limited. If you need an affordable, efficient vacuum for everyday cleaning, the Xiaomi E5 is a solid choice.